Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick video on replacing your call it evap valve on a third gen Dodge Dakota from 2005 to 2000. I think it's 11. It's this valve right here. That's how you can tell it is not working. It also shoots a code P056 for the Chrysler. Yeah, so here, I'll show you exactly what I did. Follow me. Let's get. Oh, here it is. Here. Okay. Sorry. Need a light. Alright, guys. So what I did was I propped up my trucks on some ramps. Gave me enough room to get underneath. Because our valve is located right above, or right behind the support right here. So Dodge, in their infinite wisdom, instead of putting the charcoal canister, the valve on the front of the gas tank like they did on the earlier models, or even on the side, they put it right on top of the gas tank. So alright guys, so let me get you straight there. Right, so what I ended up doing was I kind of cheated. I used a GoPro on a magnet mount. I set it right on top of the frame rail, and then I used my phone as a remote viewer so I could see what I was doing. It sits like this, so the bottom clip is going to be on the very bottom. So say this is a frame rail, this is a gas tank, the charcoal canister. It sits like that, so I had to reach up and over, pull the hose off, and then reach underneath like this to hit that tab. As you can see it there, hit that tab, and then twist it counterclockwise, probably like 20 degrees. You just a slight twist like that, and it popped right out. And then I used a like a pick. Here we go. I used this pick to unhook it, because there's a tab on the back right here that you push in to get that to lift up. It's kind of hard to push in, so I used this and kind of went from the front and pushed it up and then pushed it out. Pulled it out, put the new one in. Another thing, if you don't have a GoPro, another thing that I have was this. So I actually used this first to see it, and then I put my flashlight so I could see. You can see exactly where I get to, so you don't have to drop the gas tank. That was my biggest fear, is I was gonna have to drop the gas tank, full of gas tank. Of course, the code reads right when I have to do emissions, so you have to get this fixed to pass emissions, unfortunately. So, but yeah, so hopefully this helps somebody. That's how you can tell it's not working. So yeah.